ADASH presents Vibration Monitoring made easy.
Hi, I'm Lisa and head of the finance department.
Lisa's working in a paper mill. But she has a problem. The paper mill suffers from reoccurring, unexpected machinery failures. Maintenance needs to do something, otherwise cost will explode. We have to avoid sudden system breakdowns. Let's do vibration analysis to check machinery condition. We have no experience. We are no experts. How are we going to evaluate vibration? Somehow you have to analyze time signals in spectra. No one of us is able to do that. We do not have any vibration experts in our company.
There is an easy solution for the problem. ADASH offers an easy-to-use device which identifies and rates the problem. It has an integrated expert system. Anybody using it can identify problems easily, and it works for all directly propelled units. You don't need to enter any information, for example bearing data. The device can derive everything directly from the measurement.
We just have to create a list on a PC with all the machines and measurement points and then load them on the device with a USB connection. We have to take a measurement at each machine and the device will always tell us which machine is next on our route. Then we will transfer the data back to the PC via the USB connection and have the results directly on the screen. After a few measurements, we will see the trend of the problem. If we see a rise of the trend, we need to act quickly. The device will directly identify unbalance, looseness, misalignment and bearing faults. Now Lisa is happy again. No unplanned downtimes anymore and therefore considerably reduced maintenance costs. This leaves more time for our operations and therefore we will have more satisfied customers. Such a pity that we did not start earlier. This is an easy to understand system which will spare us a great deal of time as well as reducing maintenance costs considerably. Just try it. Please do not hesitate to contact us if there are any questions or if you require a quote. We are there for you. ADASH, your specialist for vibration monitoring.